Viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Now I'm going to show you the most exciting and elegant dessert. It's called Floating Island. But this is very light, delicious. In all the 5-star hotels they used to do it years ago. But now it's still, I believe, is one of the best classic ever. Just let's start and do it. For that, first of all, we need the custard. Or Creme Anglaise, whatever you wanted to say. Now we're gonna put our poached meringue to there. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna put some sauce. Viewers, aren't they look pretty? So you see how we done the poached meringue, you see how we done creme anglaise, and that's my floating island dessert. Isn't it looks pretty and beautiful? Is lovely, elegant and delicious dessert. Enjoy and bon appetit. Enjoy my floating island. My taster, what do you think about it?
It's delicious.
Okay, my second taster.
It tasted delicious.
Excellent. Of course, it's yummy and delicious.